Welcome back to our channel, Foodies. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of Italian cuisine to unravel the mysteries and unknown facts about one of its most beloved dishes, pesto pasta. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and discover the secrets behind this culinary masterpiece. Before we begin, let's quickly go over what makes pesto pasta so special. Pesto is a traditional Italian sauce that originated in Genoa, a beautiful city located in the region of Liguria, Italy. It's primarily made with fresh basil, pine nuts, garlic, Parmesan cheese, olive oil, and a touch of salt. When combined with al dente pasta, it creates a burst of flavors that transport you straight to the heart of Italy. Did you know that the word pesto actually comes from the Italian verb pestare, which means to crush or to pound? Traditionally, pesto was made by grinding the ingredients together using a mortar and pestle. This method is still preferred by purists, as it retains the vibrant colors and intense aroma of the basil. However, in modern kitchens, blenders and food processors have made the process much more convenient. While it may lack the rustic charm of the mortar and pestle, it ensures a smooth and consistent texture, allowing the flavors to meld together perfectly. Here's another interesting fact. Ligurian pesto has its own designated Protected Designation of Origin, PDO, status. This means that the pesto made in this region must adhere to strict guidelines to maintain its authenticity. The specific type of basil used, known as Genovese basil, is an essential component that contributes to the unique flavor profile of Ligurian pesto. Parmesan cheese, or Parmigiano Reggiano as it's known in Italy, is another key ingredient in pesto. It adds a rich and nutty flavor that complements the basil and pine nuts perfectly. Did you know that authentic Parmigiano Reggiano cheese can only be produced in specific regions of Italy? It's carefully regulated and aged for at least 12 months, resulting in its distinctive taste and texture. Ah, the pine nuts. These little gems play a vital role in pesto's taste. They're not only delicious but also bring a delightful crunch to the sauce. Pine nuts are the edible seeds of pine cones and are sourced from various regions, including the Mediterranean. Their delicate, buttery flavor enhances the overall experience of the dish. Now that we've uncovered some unknown facts about pesto, it's time to bring everything together. Once you have your freshly cooked pasta, simply toss it with the pesto sauce until it coats each strand evenly. And voila! You have a plate of authentic, mouth-watering pesto pasta ready to be devoured. Trust me, the flavors are out of this world. Pesto pasta is a classic dish that captures the essence of Italian cuisine in every bite. It's simple, yet sophisticated, a culinary delight that never fails to impress. That's all for today, folks. We hope you enjoyed uncovering the unknown facts about Italian pesto pasta with us. Don't forget to give this recipe a try and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting culinary adventures. Until next time, buon appetito!